Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how we are going to create an account on Pinterest. So it's very easy. You have to go and click on sign up. You can enter an email ID, you can create a password, and the only thing that it asks is for age, and then you have to just continue. The other option is you can go for continue as your Facebook account or continue with Google. Now, there is a best option is you can also create a business account. For business account, again, you have to enter your email, you have to create a password, and you have to create age. So let me enter the email. Let me create a password. And let me just put an age. And I'm going to create an account. Oh, sorry. That happens. And I'm going to create an account. So this is a brand new account, and now you have to set up your profile. So what should we call you, the business name? So I'm going to just put Coulomb Industries. Do you have a website? So I'm going to say yes, and let me link back to this particular website. Click. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to select country as India and language as English, and I'll click on next. Now get customized recommendation based on your details. So you have to tell me what exactly are you. You have to tell Pinterest that. So you can tell if you're a local store, if you're an influencer, public figure. So I'm going to select consumer good product and services because this is a product based business that I have selected. Click on next. Would you be interested in running ads on Pinterest? So I can select one of these. So I'll just select I'm not sure yet because this is a new account and I'm not sure if you want to do it immediately. Now where would you like to start? So it is giving me an option, create an ad, share ideas, and then build your profile. So we are going to build profile. In build profile we are going to choose Coulomb Industries as the name. This is the username they have offered, but we are just going to keep it Coulomb Industries. Just write about your profile. We are the so you have a lot of characters here. You can still go ahead and write more, but this is something which I've restricted right now. I'm going to select now an email address. I'm going to select a country code, so it's 91 here. Phone number is not mandatory. If I have a retail outlet, then I'm going to select an address for that too, and then I'm going to save it. Now we can change a photo also, so I can replace it with the logo, and then it's going to be done. Okay, so I have left. Okay, made a mistake here again. Now it's complete. I'm going to click on done. Username is already taken, so we are going to choose another username. Now let's check, and the profile is saved. So we have Coulomb Industries Mumbai as the username, the display name is Coulomb Industries, and now we are going to check the business hub. So this is how your board is going to look like when you do not have anything attached to it. You can create your pins, get insights, and get tips. You can check out the overview of your analytics, and you can keep making changes however you want. So this we'll cover in the next video, how you're going to create a banner for your Pinterest, the logo, and how to create pins. So this is pretty much it for how to create a Pinterest profile, and in the next video I'm going to tell you what else we can do with Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching.